Hey, how's it going? My name's Eric. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing a follow-up from a previous video that was yesterday on these kernel regression lines. I am complementing it with another kernel regression line, as you see up on my page here. The screen, it may be a little confusing, but I will get into that. Today on the video, I'm going to show you where to find this on TradingView, but really two amazing indicators. And if you were going to use this, I would use this for only bull markets. I don't know about shorting, but what the concept or the strategy here would be just for a nice swing bull trade market. So if you're interested in that, just follow along. And so let's get into it. How to find these two free indicators that are very nice. I'll come over here. So if you saw one of my videos, I just took this one away, and I just used this one. And so all I did was I took a lot of guessing out. I would just, once this bar regression line turned green, I would simply get in blindly, and then once it turns red, I'm getting out. As you can see, this is the swing trade dream here, and then I would have got back in the trade here, and I would have got out up here, and I would have made a nice 40% profit there over a year. This is all over a year. This is on the daily scale. So that's nice, but and then I added it with for those that didn't, my strategy is I put this SMA 950 180 EMA 20 buy sell, and I added it with this one, and then I showed you how to make changes. So you would go to settings and you would get rid of some stuff here. I would get rid of this buy sell line, and I basically got rid of all the lines except the white line here, and I kept the buy and sells. I just hit OK. And so, because I want to use, I want to use this 180 because I don't only want to buy when this at least goes above the 180. I'm trying to take out risk here, but if you're not worried about that, this is a very risky, a little bit more risky strategy, because I'm going to eliminate all of these. I'm going to eliminate the buy and sells, and I'm going to eliminate this 180 white line. You could go and check on another chart, and but I'm eliminating that, so it's a little risky, but not as much, because we're still following this simple green and red line. But you will be trading on where 180, you're underneath it, it's going to increase your risk. So if you were doing this, for paper trading, that's for educational purposes only, you would definitely put stop losses in for this strategy. So I'll exit out of this. We'll get back to what I was showing you. We'll get out of everything, and I'll show you where those are. So we'll get back to the two indicators that I had. You'll just click on indicators and select multi-kernel regression, and that's this one by Chart Pattern. We just simply click on that one, and voila, there it is. And so if you were a little bit too scared because you don't have the buy or sells, we're going to put in this other indicator here. And that one we would need to type in triple confirmation kernel regression overlay. It's this one that's popping up by Quantum System. And sorry, I accidentally clicked on Quantum System and pops that up, so you don't want to do that. Here we go, and voila, we got all these nice colors. So to break this down for you, if you're playing it a little bit safer here, I stand miscorrected. There is, you do get the 180 line. Sorry, so you do get the 180 line. Here it is. It's right here. They added in here. Nice. I believe this is the 180. It looks like it. Yes, it does. Wow, this is a nice find, because I forgot all about it. I believe that's it. Looks like it to me. I think it's the 150, though it's not the one as you see in here. I believe it's not the 180, but it's close. So you could still have the same strategy but 180 would be a little bit lower down here. So you could still use it, but so up here, this is the bandwidth. So up here in purple, this is oversold. Once it gets past, there's a little line here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for you so you can understand what I'm saying. Here we go. All right, nice. And so up here in the up cloud, you can see there's a little line here. It's purple. So up here, you definitely want to think about getting out close in your position, or down in here where there's a little green line. It passes through there. Definitely, it's going to be, this could be a buy position, but not necessarily. You would want to wait until it turns green, because this is oversold. And if you would have got in here, as you can see, it would have came back down. But this green line's telling us that it's really going to take off from previous times. Now, if you wanted to not test that, because I took the buy sell out there, you could wait until this green wave goes in. Then you could get into the trade, and you're avoiding maybe having to put a stop loss in, but you definitely you want to put some sort of stop loss or insurance, or look at it, or put some timer down and put that, which is nice. You could click and set down here, so it alerts you. Just add an alert if you don't want to do a stop loss. As you can see, you could get in here to take some risk away. You would get in the trade here, and you'd wait till it turns red here. You would get out of the trade. You're at 19% still, but not as risky as in a previous video I showed. In the previous video, you would have waited till this turned green, and you would have just gotten and said, hey, let's go. And then now you'll get confirmation with this green, and then as soon as this turns red, you're going to get out in 26. So, you got 3% more, I believe that was on there. So, just a little food for thought here today. And so, if you found any of value in this video, go ahead, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Other than that, I will see you on the next video.